We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. We're analyzing the Doge based on the HITBTC chart. Okay. If we refer to our analysis, when the price was within this move, we mentioned if we wants to look for trade, the only way is to put our entry above the top, which is at 0.09, and this is what we get. And whoever get the trade, they should, if they want to keep the trade, move at least move their stop loss to break even. Okay. Anyway, we move to daily chart. We mentioned we're looking for the reversal. Even we point on the divergence. That's why we mentioned if we get any trade set up for buy, we will take the trade. And even if based on forward chart, we mentioned in my last analysis, we have a divergence. And this is what we get. Now we want to see whether we can look for continuation or not. Okay, whether we should look for trade setup, I don't think buying, I mean, for whether we should buy right now for the next, I mean, the second trade, I don't suggest to look for buy. The only thing is whoever get the trade, move their stop loss to break even, and we see whether there is a continuation or not. Technically, if there is a continuation, we can expect the price even to tag 0.1414 cent, but we cannot confirm with that because we know about the hit BTC. All right, because sometimes the way is moving is not following other exchanges. Okay, but technically we want to see, we can expect if it follow the technical analysis, we can, the next level we can look for is 14 cent. Okay, but the only things I suggest right now, whoever get the trade, move their stop loss to break even. And if he wants to look for trade, maybe we can have entry above the top. But again, if he wants to have entry above the top, we need to look for any move similar to what we get here: sharp move, break, and continue. Okay, and rather than that, we don't have any other option to look for trade. Even if he wants to buy right now, I won't suggest it. Maybe we put a warrant tree here. If the price tag as a sharp move and continue, we keep the trade. If the price tag, we see it's not moving within the first or maximum second hours, we take out the trade because we have seen this kind of the move. The price sharp, we can again give us a sharp move and then drop if we refer to the history. That's why having entry above the stop is really risky. We should know that we want to see the continuation similar to what we get here. Rather than that, we shouldn't keep the trade. Anyway, from now, technically, if we get any trade set up for buy, we will take it. Okay, and we start to manage it. Anyway, we just follow the chart. We don't have any trade setup unless we put our entry above this or this one turn to a bigger correction. In this case, the only thing, I mean, for this analysis, the only things I want to highlight, whoever get the trade, move their stop loss to break even and let it go. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.